Welcome to my YouTube channel. Once again, this is Knowledge Base. And before we proceed, guys, I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also share this YouTube video at the end if this YouTube video really creates value in your life. Okay? Please click on subscribe and subscribe before we forget. I know some of you sometimes forget at the end of the video because you have got the information and you do not want to subscribe or even share this video. So in this case, guys, I am going to show you how to write a professional resume or a professional CV. Some of you do not know how to write a professional video or a professional CV. Okay, so let's get to dive into the details. So get to your browser and put in bad.google.com, and then you land on this dashboard. So when you land on this dashboard, we're here to show you how to command. Remember, guys, I told you that we need to learn how to do command, how to command the AI, and this case is Bard AI. Bard AI is a free tool from Google. This tool is purely free, and let's see how to do this. Let me show you one of the commands that I need. I am a professional and registered nurse. Okay, please, okay, create for me a professional resume stroke CV. Guys, a resume, in other words, is a CV, which is a curriculum vitae. So in other words, we call it a resume or a CV. Okay, so I am commanding Bard AI to create for me a professional CV, and here I'm saying I am a professional and registered nurse. Create for me a professional resume stroke CV. So let's see how it is going to respond to me. I am just using the ordinary language. Okay, now here they tell you, unfortunately, I need some more information to create a truly impactful CV or resume to tailor it to your specific strength and aspirations. I would appreciate if you could tell me more about you. Okay, your careers. Okay, what type nursing role? What type of nursing role are you aiming for? Is it a specific specialty like a critical care or pediatrics, or are you open to various settings, your work experience and everything? In this case, you'd say I am an ICU. Let's say if you're an ICU nurse, okay? An ICU nurse. Remember, nurses are in different departments, but in this case, an ICU nurse. So let's see whether they are going to create us a great CV. So in this case, I'm saying that I am an ICU nurse. Great. Knowing you're an ICU nurse gives me a good starting point. To further tailor your resume, I would still need some details about your specific experience and goals, and here are some of the prompts to guide you. Guys, I am trying to show, because when you go to chat Bard AI, sometimes our command language can confuse you and you get lost and you end up losing interest. But these guys, Bard AI wants to understand you much more better. Okay, here they are saying the experience, current and past ICU positions. List your ICU roles in reverse, chronicle order, most recent first, including the hospital name, dates, and your specific title, e.g. critical care nurse. If you fall under this, you can copy this here and put it here and say critical care nurse. Okay, when you put here critical care nurse, you're guiding the AI to understand you much more better, and then look at what you're supposed to do. Critical care nurses are a backbone of intensive care units, providing life-saving care to critically ill and injured patients. They work in fast-paced, high-pressured environments requiring a unique blend of clinical expertise, critical thinking, and compassion. Okay, so all these are experiences. Okay, the work experience and everything that you need. Okay, now in this case you can see the resources. So in this case they are giving you right what you need. Okay, critical care nurse. Okay, now you can get this and say create, you can command it and say create a professional resume stroke CV for, here I put a full column here and I put the title, for example, in this case. Now see what is going to happen. Wonderful. So why I took you through all these, guys, let's go back, guys, before I put you down. Why I put you all through this is that AI wanted to understand you, but because I was reading whatever they were telling me, I'm able to put in, remember here I'm saying I am an ICU nurse. They give us the guidance, and then I said which kind of nurse, critical care nurse, and in this case they gave us the guidance here, and down here I have put that I am a critical care nurse. Now I commanded saying create a professional resume stroke CV for a critical care nurse. Okay, now in this case they have already given us the template. Okay, in this case Bard AI tells you I can personalize this resume for you. Please provide the information requested below: your name, to contact information, work experience, and education, and everything. In this manner, guys, you already know what you studied. So here they're saying you your name, your phone number, email address, and LinkedIn profile, which is professional, which is an option. Okay, now in this summary, highly motivated skill, this is where they are saying highly motivational skills, critical care nurse. Put in nurse with the number of years, and then years of experience in advance in diverse ICU. So they are giving you all this information that is important. So when we get to the work experience, position, they're giving what position have you held, which hospital, city, state, and dates of employment. Okay, now here they're asking you for the key responsibilities, which you must put in here, then previous position. So they're giving you the guidance, and you're going to get all this, copy it, put it in your one, and you're able to put in all this. Okay, now in this case I can decide to copy this information. I can decide to copy this information here, right here. Okay, get this information, get it here, go to my Word here. Okay, go to my Word here, then get to new, press it here, and I come here and put it here. So in this case you already have your resume. Okay, in this case here you can put your position. Just put your position here, ICU nurse, for example, nurse, which hospital. You can say here, you can put Medipal Hospital. Okay, here you can put city, Istanbul. Then here you can put date of employment. You can put 1st of April 2023. Okay, and then here this is the experience: ICU nurse, Medipal Hospital, Istanbul, and then which year. Then the key responsibilities have been given here. Okay, so in this case then go down and you can put in your experience, the key responsibilities, showcase the care position, and you're able to get your resume perfectly. So the skills have been given to you. Then when you reach here, you already know your references. So you just get here and put in your responsibilities. When we get to the awards and recognition, list any awards. You're told here to put your awards. List them. Volunteer work, in case of any, name them. Professional memberships, list them here. You just edit here and put your professional membership. So it's easy, it's simpler, and within a short period of time you're able to get your work done within a short period of time. So thank you so much, guys. Let's use Bard AI and create those great resumes and CVs, guys. So thank you so much. If you don't understand anything, please write it to me in my comments below, and I'll pick it up and I will also answer you right down. So thank you so much, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.